You are alive. Good morning for everyone, or good afternoon. I don't know. Our colleague is Shaik is from India. Which time is in India, Shaik? Oh,
I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. Is from SAP consultant that works with integrations, and I will share the presentation to him to introduce yourself. After them, we finish the session. Go ahead.
Thank you, Manuel. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And this is the second time I am presenting in the SAP for Brazil SAP Insight Track. Okay. Before just jumping into my presentation, I am from my background from integrations. I have started my career with XI, and I have worked with PI, PO, and currently I am working in Integration Suite. Okay, just quickly, I will share my screen. Able to see my
Yes, it's
screen?
okay. It's everything okay. You can continue. It's
Perfect.
nice.
Perfect. Okay. In today's topic, I'm going to explain about the SAP Integration Suite overview and PO to CPA migration and real world scenarios and what is the main challenges customers are facing in BTP Integration Suite. Okay, this is about me. I am a SME in SAP and non-SAP integrations. Currently, I am working in Himalaya Wellness Company. I have 12 plus years of experience in SAP and non-SAP integrations, and I have worked with different middleweights with Exchange infrastructure, process integration, process orchestration, and cloud platform integration, and the cloud connector, Dell Boomi, and I am a certified integration black belter, and I am expertise in architect design in any interface, whether it will be either SAP or it will be the non-SAP. End-to-end architect designing I will do as per the business requirement. And I have very strong experience in SF and Ariba and Microsoft Azure. And I have worked on main business modules like SDMM, FICO, EPPM, PLM, and LIMS. There are so many other modules are there. And I have experience in one of the analytic tool of BW for HANA. And how we have to bring it's a separate warehouse, but there will be some of the use cases will be there for integrations regarding BW for HANA, for the SAC, and for the Power BI, and for the other analytic tools. Okay, in today's agenda, I am going to explain about SAP Integration Suite, what are the current customer challenges and overview, and hybrid integration strategy. And I came with today with two of the main use cases end-to-end scenarios. Okay, and coming to the first point, okay, BTP Integration Suite. Directly I am not jumping into the customer challenges. Just I am going to explain about a little about SAP Integration Suite and how SAP investment in integration and the history of continuous innovation. And this I am going to explain into my next slides. And coming to the first topic, SAP Integration Suite and customer challenges overview. Okay, what's customer? Customer is required what? Okay, customer is required seamless integrations and in the form of the application to application integration and business to business integrations. There should be the seamless integration. Business processes will be required. That is one of the main key factor customer is facing currently. And there will be the accelerate outcomes cost effectively, and how to modernize and adopt the change. These are the main three factors where customer is currently facing the challenges. The only one solution for these three challenges I'm going to explain about in my next slides. Apart from for these, why these three challenges it has come means SAP keep on coming the upgrades, Even the SAP earlier SAP ECC is there, and S4 in the S4 the upgradations, and there will be there will be the now Rise Cloud. There will be so many major changes according to the business it has come. Okay, now according to the SAP according to the SAP upgrades, we have to build our all the business processes seamlessly and without interrupting them our business. For these for these challenges, the overcome is okay. Now, SAP has provided this. If you see SAP Integration Suite, it's a bundle. Okay, it is having different capabilities. Okay, and different types of the applications integrations, and different business to business integrations. Okay, just I'm going to explain about the capabilities. There will the different types of the capabilities will be there, and one will be the cloud integration, API management, integration assessment, event mesh, open connector, graph, integration advisor, and data integration. See, integration suite, it is not only as a process integration. Yeah, integration suite is used for the data integration also. Okay, and cloud to cloud, cloud to cloud integration, cloud to on-prem, on-prem to cloud. We can go with the cloud integration. There will be so many pre-packaged contents will be there. And coming to the API management, there will be the if you want to connect, there will be some third party Twitter, and there will be some third party main business applications. Okay, where we have to connect with that, and we have to build our business, we improve our business into their means. The main API is the main concept. We have to consume the main business partners APIs, or else we have to give, and we have to build, and we have to design the API, and we have to provide them. These are the main two things. Okay, these everything it will come under the API management. And the third one will be integration assessment. Integration, what is that integration assessment? Why we need the integration assessment? There will be the PAPO. The PAPO, it is tentatively, not tentatively, it has been fixed. Okay, 2027 is the license expiry of SAP PAPO. And yeah, the extended support will be till 3 years, and means max by 2030. There is no more support from the SAP on SAP PAPO. Okay, whoever the customers are done the interfaces in SAP PAPO, they want to migrate. They want to migrate to cloud integration suite. Okay, if how they have to migrate, each and every the main PAPO will be the on-premise system, and the integration suite on the public cloud. Okay, there will be some of the scenarios will be there, some of the capabilities will be there. Directly integration suite will connect to your on-premise SAP PO system, and whatever our integration designs and components means integration designs and components are there, directly it will convert into the iFlow. Okay, and almost like our 80 to 70, you can say 70 to 80% of our work it will be done. After that, just as a touch points of configurations, we have to concentrate on that, and we have to take it up on this. Like this type of the like this type of the migrations process, it will be there in the integration assessment capabilities. Okay, apart from this, it will found critical, very critical, and low critical, like this type of the categories, and yellow, red, blue, like those type of the t-shirt size. Some of the reports also we can generate from the integration assessment. Like this type of the, there will be so many other capabilities also will be there. Okay, and there will be the 200 plus connectors also is there, and 280 plus business events will be there, and there will be the straightforward e-governance, and there will be so many government portals related standard integrations also will be there. Okay, and business hub will be there, and these are the main overall overview of the SAP integration suite. Okay, our CEO, Christian Kelvin, how he has spent and how he believed on the integration suite for the business. Okay, initially he entered with SAP Exchange infrastructure. Okay, there is a connectivity, one add-on will be there, AEX. Okay, which will be depending on the which will be depending on the Java. Okay, one connectivity add-on it has come, and it has been built with small system as a middleware. Okay, now after that it has come with the simpler architecture of the single stack process integration, and after that he has moved with the business innovations, and named as SAP process orchestration, and business to governments, and business API business hubs. Like these are the different capabilities. According to the capabilities, they keep on adding. Okay, our integration started in SAP with XI to SAP integration suite. Fine, this is the main SAP innovations and the history of continuous innovations. Okay, and if you have go to SAP, what exactly SAP also will tell, just in the same in the small intro part from the SAP integration suite, just to go through this.
SAP Integration Suite is a cloud-based service that combines tools and pre-built content to help address the full range of integration challenges. The suite's cloud integration capability is used to build, manage, and monitor integration flows. Integration flows are constructed from a palette of components, addressing the steps required to connect to applications, define and transform messages, and make decisions. Enterprises save time and money by using pre-built integration packages provided by SAP and select partners. Over 2,000 pre-built integrations covering application to application, business to business, and business to government scenarios are available. The Open Connectors capability standardizes and centralizes connectivity to over 160 third-party applications. There are connectors for collaboration, document services, messaging, e-commerce, CRM, help desk, and other application types. In business-to-business scenarios, the Integration Advisor capability uses artificial intelligence to accelerate integration with business partners. The tool combines a library of electronic data interchange definitions and a crowdsourced self-learning and self-improving message mapping knowledge base to speed the development of integration flows. With API management, companies can design, publish, and manage APIs to facilitate self-service access to applications and data sources across the organization. It also connects companies with their business partners and customers through API marketplaces. Event Mesh provides the messaging capabilities through which events can be transported between application and services in hybrid landscapes. Event messages may be sent and consumed by SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP, and other SAP and third-party applications. SAP Integration Suite can help connect, accelerate, and empower your intelligent enterprise. Want to learn more? Visit sap.com/.
Thank you. This is related to main intro part of the SAP integration suite. Okay, my next according to my agenda, my next topic will be hybrid integration strategy from SAP. Okay, what is main SAP hybrid integration strategy? Hybrid is nothing but whatever our my current SAP PO and SAP process integration scenarios will be there. Okay, how I have to migrate into the SAP PO. how I have to migrate from SAP PO to Integration Suite. Okay, there will be the separate so many there will be so many other capabilities will be there, where exactly my scenario it will suits. Directly we cannot jump into directly cloud integration if some of the standard APIs will be already built. Okay, if you if it will satisfy and fulfill our business scenarios, directly we have to go with API management of the standard APIs. And if you want to connect connect with business B2B, B2B and B2G, and integration advisor is the best tool. And if you want to migrate, integration advisor is the best tool. And if you want to send the data, some of the masters will be required. If you want to send the data, means graph will be the one of the capability. And there will be a particular one event it has to perform in our integration suite. Okay, then event mesh, we have to take it up. And anyway, anyhow, the open connectors, it will be the open. Okay, whatever the standard connectors will be there. If you want to open with social medias and for the reporting parts and Azure SQL, and there will be the different categories will be there. Directly we have to connect with open connectors. Okay, this is main, and main will be move to SAP process orchestration 7.1. The long support releases and as provided went out the maintenance at the end of 2030. And the complement and the future proof integration strategy with SAP Integration Suite for all new agile integrations, move existing interfaces to SAP Integration Suite. Fine. Okay. After 2027, the cloud to on-prem, we can go easily with cloud integration. For on-prem to on-prem, what's next? Okay, for on-prem to on-prem, there is SAP has provided. Why? Because our my SAP data I am using private cloud, and my I want to take the same private cloud one of the application. I want to integrate that. In this case, if the CPI or integration suite has coming to the picture, first S4 it's there in. It's there in private cloud. From private cloud to the interfaces, it has to run to public cloud, and from public cloud to again the third party application which is hosted on private cloud, it has to come there. And there will be the cloud to cloud, seamlessly the connectivity will be there. But there are some of the pharmaceutical companies, they should not use any data into my cloud foundry. At that moment, okay, SAP has provided for on-prem to on-prem edge integration cell. In last decade, our CEO has hosted on that. Okay, about the edge integration, about edge integration cell. Since from 1 year, it has been very mature. Okay, in any of the one of the our platforms, AWS, Azure, and Kubernetes, like this type of the any any one of the system, we can deploy that. Okay, and we can run in our local our interfaces, everything in our locally. Okay, that is on-premise to on-premise. Okay, this is the way of ground to ground. SAP on-premise to SAP on-premise. We can go with directly with the edge integration cell. In the edge integration cell, generally API management is there, and a process integration is there, and event broker will be there. And the open connectors, it has not come into edge integration cell. Why? Because the open connectors, the connectivity will be from public. The configurations, everything, it will be there in the public. Only one of the point where the on-premise to main, the scenario on-premise to on-premise, it will come. Then only we can use the edge integration cell. Now coming to one of the use case which I have explained to you, there is a employee data replication from SuccessFactor to on-premise S4 system. Okay, that means SuccessFactor EC we are using. Employee Central. In the Employee Central, the data, the hiring data, everything it will come, and the employee code it will be created, and that created the employee code. It has to flow back to the SAP HCM. Why? Because the SAP HCM and SAP FICO jointly, it was there in the ERP, and for HCM we are using there is the scenario, it's there with the payroll. Okay, for that's the scenario. There is a connectivity, and the interfaces. We have to use the employee data replication from S4 to on-premise S4. Okay, what is this one? Just I have explained the employee central, the goals, performance, workforce, whatever the things will be there, everything it will be there. Only the payroll part it's there in the S4. We have to use that. Okay, how the system will be there? It will be on the cloud, and the cloud integration also in the public cloud, and the SAP S4 HANA system and the normal on-premise. Okay, using cloud connector, we are going to connect with our cloud platform integration to S4. Okay, what are the scenarios will be there? Okay, if you have to go and just check SAP S4 HANA, first org object it will start. After that, employee master data it will create it, and it will flow back with the cloud integration, and again the cloud connector into the S4. After the org assignment it will start. Okay, it is going and coming back with through cloud integration and cloud connected to S4, and after the leave balances and whatever the employee it has been created, it is again there will be some of the master data it is going back to S4. Okay, this is main simple integration flow standard. Okay, and here integration it will be the architecture. It is the cloud cloud SF and CPI, and if it is a SAP ERP HCM, okay, which is there in on premises, okay, which we have connected with the cloud connector. Okay, the data it is coming from SuccessFactor to HCM, the org objects, employee master, org assignments, and leave validation, leave approved, and national ID. And after how the data it will go out is org objects query and update confirmation and leave balances. This is the small architecture about if you people aware of like this type of the integrations means just as a functionality part, what type of the scenarios will be required and how the data it will push from SuccessFactor to HCM means SAP. Okay, it is a interfaces, main interfaces, employee master data replication, employee org assignment replication, and organizational object replication, time of replication, leave balances quota, and national ID replication, FBP portal to pay component, and pay component to FBP portal. Okay, there will be some of the standards also will be there, and we have to see in the top 4 employee master, employee org, and organizational objects and time off will be the standards. Okay, and the leave balance it will according to the organizations the balances will be different, the logics will be different. That's why we have we have taken as a custom, and national ID it will be also custom, and there will be the FBP portal and pay component will be the it will be according to the company rules, HR part it will be treated as a custom. Okay, now coming to the demo. In the demo, what I am going to explain about this one SuccessFactor data. I am it is inbound to SAP. In a SuccessFactor data, the entire data it has been created, and what are the main configuration I have used in the cloud integration, and how the employee it has replicated into S4. Okay. Okay, this is SAP success factor screen. Next it will come here the SAP, and it is this demo just I am going to explain about to each and every factor. And this one just I have presented in SAP Inside Track Bangalore also. That's the reason just I have kept it as a SAT Bangalore EMP 0403 2023, like just as a name for for understanding of that employee, and how it has been the same with the same name it is going to replicate into the SAP S4. Okay, now this is the success factors. Success factor employee central. Okay, in the employee central, the first name just I have given as a SAT Bangalore, means a SAT BLR, and the last name I have given as a EMP 0403 just as a date, and there will be some of the master data related data will be there. Okay, that everything. Whatever it will be required, it has come, and after that, the main personal number 21462. This is very very important. This it has been created. Okay, now just what I have to take means from the EC point of view, whatever the data will be there, already the master data it has been created. Okay, and the number it has been generated. Okay, now I have to come back. The second step will be the cloud integration. In the cloud integration, just I am jumping. This is the cloud integration. Okay, in the cloud integration, I want to use prepackaged content. Where is the prepackaged content will be there? This is my prepackaged content. SAP success factor employee central to ERP data. Okay, in the description itself, you can see replication of employee master data from SAP success factor to employee to SAP. And you can manage the employees in SuccessFactors Employee Central. At the same time, you can use the employee master data in ERP to run the follow on the such as a payroll. For the main purpose of this one things will be HCM, the SAP in the HCM system for the payroll part they have to use. Okay, for that they have to run the payroll, they need the employee master data. Okay, that employee master data, so in the success factor will be that the data it has to flow, entire data it has to flow. Okay, for our case, already the data it has come, and the prepackaged content also we are clear on this, and we are going to use this one. Okay, let's jump into the demo and how we have to take it on the forward. This is the prepackaged content, already we got it. Okay, now just we are going into the artifacts. Okay, what type of the artifacts and what type of the integration flow it has been designed. It is a standard integration which I am going to explain to you now. Okay, see, this is the employee master replicative employee master artifacts. Artifact is nothing but the main integration flow. The means entire the inbound and the outbound systems, any logics. Okay, do we see entire thing it will be there. Okay, how I have to fetch the data also it will come, and entire whatever the standard integrations will be there, entire you have to go and just see as a integration consultant you will come to know how it is flowing from one step to another step. And each and everything, the first the personal information, and there are the several parts will be there for employee central data. Each and everything in the integration standard integration flow will be there. We no need to do anything. Just we have to configure the sender and receiver system according to the our according to our SAP S4 credentials and SAP success factor credentials. Okay, and the receiver, the receiver already we have mentioning SAP success factor central and sender, from sender to receiver, and in the arrow mark there are the different options it will come. Okay, there we have to go on the configuration. In the configuration world we have to sender, there will be the timer and sender, receiver and mode. Okay, the timer will be runs once, and means one time the running, and schedule on a day, and schedule on the recurrence. Schedule on the particular day what time, and recurrence means every 1 hour, every half an hour, like that type of the things we have to use. Okay, coming to the sender, in the sender will be my S4, and receiver will be receiver will be by sender will be from my success factor, and receiver will be from S4, and these are the particular some of the parameters. Okay, in the parameters which the employee ID, I'm not going to replicate whatever the SAP success factor data into my SAP. Okay, which I have created 21462, the employee will be there. That one only we have to use. The same thing only which I have used. Okay, if you have to see and check on 21462, the personal ID. Okay, just I have configured there, and just I have configured there, and only that data. If I have to run this pins, only that data only it will come. Just I have deployed on that. Just we have to see in the all integration flows. See that the one and one it has come means whatever the deployed messages will be there, it has been deployed successfully. Okay, if you go and just check on the successful messages, okay, in the status, the completed, and what are the properties I have used, and artifact details and logs, each and everything, the data it will be there, what type of the data it has come. And now coming immediately, I am coming into the SAP. In the SAP, just I have entered with the 21462 with the SLG1T code. See, the whatever the data it has come, the successful, there is no there is no errors will be there. And just I'm going with PA30 and just entering to the 21462 actions. There is it has been a hiring, it is done. The successful new position it has been created. The data successfully it has been created, and the data successfully it has been created, and the data it has been successfully it has been created, new positions and everything it has come. Now coming to my till now I have explained on the till now I have explained on the standard integrations. Now coming to my custom integrations, I'm going the custom integrations means we have to create our own logics. In any company, if you see, okay, different the employee posts will be there, and different categories will be there. According to the category, the salary, wages also it will be there. Okay, now for the managers there will be so many other benefits also will be there. The normal employee trainee, there will be the different benefits will be also there. Okay, according to the category, we have to build our own logics into the into our integrations. That way, flexible benefit plan, FBP. FBP is the main, as per the employee, the company rules will be there. According to the rules, we have to build our own integration flow in cloud integrations. Okay, for example, for the managers, car allowances also there, and medical will be there. For normal employee, only medical will be there. Like this type of the things. Okay, how we have to build our integration flow, I am just going to explain. Into the content modifier 2, 3, 4, like this type of the things which I have used. One of the content modifier, I have used one type of the category, means pay group category for H1, H2, H3. Like if you go and check into my message header and message body, each and everything, it will be there. Okay, just see the pay comp which I have explained to you, 1030. Next will be 1040, 1020. Like this type of the according to the category, I'm just writing into my code, and just taking to the data, and just transferring into my transferring to SAP S4 system for my payroll part. Okay, after that there will be so many groovy scripts we have used for fulfilling this. Okay, if you just aware, if you are very clear on the business requirement, it will be very easy. We no need to design on particular part, just according to the node functions, and you go and just search with the step, and if you have fair idea on each and every component, means easily we can fulfill our requirements. Okay, and like this type of the ABP related and standard integrations we can use. Okay, for till now, okay, for the success factor integrations, there is a 20 plus in our company. 20 plus pre-built integrations we are using, and 25 plus connectors we are used, and 25 plus standard APIs we have used, 60 plus pre-built events, and we have saved 10x savings, and 5x faster execution using this success factor integrations. Okay, earlier the manual work and so many things will be there. Once we have moved this one, there is a 5x times faster execution is happening. Okay, and there will be the use case too. There will be the DCS. DCS is just as a one of the GST component, and we have to there is some of the tax components will be there. We have to pay for government. Okay, this is the business to governance. This is related to India. Okay, just but it will be the same B2G related standard interfaces. It will be there. It will be there for other countries also. Okay, we have to use the standard things. Okay, this is main integration architecture. I am not going to explain each and everything. Why? Because it will be related to main standard, which I have explained earlier, the success factor integration. The same way we have used Cloud Connector for connecting to the SAP S4, and whatever the tax authority of India will be there, e-way bill, e-invoice, and GST, and it is very compulsory from the 1st John. Okay, the standard interfaces only we have used. Okay, it is invoice data it is going, and e-way bill it is coming, and e-document it is going from SAP. One will be the inbound, another will be the outbound. This is main integration flow from the DCS. Okay, just the main just simple the outbound. Okay, I'm going to explain. This is also like a standard interface only. Okay, there is a T code. There is a T code. E-document. In the e-document, one of the data it has come as like this. Okay, unsupported the extreme and there is a different parts also will be there. India e-invoice, India e-way bill, and India e-way bill, and India GST reporting. Okay, now one of the invoice number and one of the main what of the things will be there that we have to use. Okay, for this which we have used as the standard way, e-invoice IRN, like this type of the one of the package we have used, and the standard interfaces only we have taken. Okay, if you have go and see GST Suvidha provider, this is the standard interfaces how I have used for the main success factor things only here, although the same thing it has come, and there is the different configurations will be there. Here I am going to just focus one point. The main will be the SOA manager, the main point it will come. Okay, just we have to generate the visual, and visual have to configure into our CPI, and after that the invoices and whatever the things will be there we have to come, and finally finally the invoices it will be happen. Okay, this is the main two use cases which I have explained to you. If you have any queries or any things, okay, just I have given my LinkedIn profile thing, and you directly contact with me, and these are my references.
Thank you very much. I need to thank you for your talk, and we hope that to see you again in the next events next year.
Sure,
And most
sure.
of them we create the event in the last week of the October.
Okay.
And let me know one thing about the adoption of about these new technologies that you are talking about. That almost of them, I suppose, are in SAP BTP.
Okay.
In your region, the adoption is growing. How it is your feeling about the adoption, about the new solution in SAP BTP?
Regarding ABAP you are talking, or regarding the integrations?
The integration.
Okay,
If the
integration
people,
currently current.
because the people almost of time when we convert the system needs to convert the integration with the other platforms about other interface, and if they are using the new techniques or if they only convert and everything is summit was born.
Correct. But see, one thing, SAP, if we are using the integrations, we have to use the integration suite only. Okay, why? Because the earlier the PIPO was there. Okay, the support it will be there till 2027. The extended support will be there 2030. There is no more new features, new things. It is not coming into the SAP PIPO. And SAP is telling that you have to use any scenarios, any integrations. Okay, the integration suite only. If the new people will be there initially jumping into the integration suite, little difficult. Okay, but it will be very easy, seamless integrations. It will be there compared to PIPO. Who is having the PIPO knowledge easily they will adopt it and they will fulfill the interfaces.
Nice, understood. So, one more time, thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Manuel. Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much. Bye bye. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Oh.
Thank you.